Hello aspirants. UPSC 2026 prelims has been very much talked about, more for its most difficult nature of the questions. It is said that in the history of the UPSC, it is the most difficult questions in the prelims, more difficult than 2023 prelims. One of the contributory factor in making this question even more difficult was that there has been drastic reduction in the polity questions. And they had just asked 4 questions. Generally, polity questions are considered to be the low-lying fruits which can be easily plucked. They are more attemptable. But just 4 questions has been asked, and these 4 questions also comes from a very offbeat area. I'm not saying that they are very difficult to handle, but definitely they come from the very offbeat area. I'm here looking at the D series, and let's start with the question number 80. The very first question of question number 80 that deals with a very offbeat area. Generally students they don't go beyond article 370 or so, but here they had asked the questions from article 393, 394 and 395. So those who have studied the entire article till 395, they'll be able to deal with this question. Otherwise the student find these questions difficult to handle. Then question number 82. So this questions, I think this is an easy question, not very difficult. So those who have a good knowledge of Article 244 and 5th and 6th schedule, they will be very easily able to handle this question. Though the second statement of question number 82 is little bit tricky, but if you know the provision of Article 244, I am sure you will be able to handle this question well. And then question number 83. Question number 83 and 84 that deals with the parliament question. Again from the very offbeat area. The questions are not difficult but offbeat. Like for example, question number 83. The question is asked from the starred and unstarred questions. And generally, see, this topic is very easy, I would say, but then confusing if you would have not revised it well. You might get confused between starred and unstarred question. So again, if anybody has consolidated it well, definitely they will be able to attempt this question and correctly. Then question number 84, again that's from the Parliament, Committee of Parliament. And this question again, if you have studied, it is a very easy question, I would say. It is not at all difficult, but as I said it comes from bit and offbeat section. So all in all, the 4 polity questions, very drastic reduction in the number of questions, and these questions come from a very offbeat section, but not necessarily difficult. So what is the takeaway from this UPSC Prelims 2026? The takeaway is that we need to prepare in a holistic manner. We cannot predict from where the more questions will be coming, or they will be, as per the pattern they will go. And this year is a drastic reductions of polity questions. We cannot be sure that what would be the pattern next year. So one has to be prepared in a holistic manner. Please concentrate on all the area. Don't leave any section of your preparations. And whosoever is preparing, they have to prepare whatever the section you are preparing, you have to consolidate. And that is what the polity section, particularly the 4 question, one can easily take lead in these 4 questions if somebody has really prepared well. For more such analysis of UPSC Prelims 2026, stay tuned to Grace IS. All the best.